Hi, and congratulations to all the Walk for Wellness participants. It was an amazing challenge. We had lots of success stories. We had over 320 participants and 31 teams participating. So thank you so much, and I hope you had as much fun as I did coordinating it. I want to congratulate the top winning team, the Steppin' Up with the Ontario Lottery Girls for getting the highest number of steps. This is an average number. I like to have a special shout out to the MMD Strolling Stones for having the largest number of participants. They had 30. I want to congratulate Robert from CMD Steppers for having the highest number of individual steps. He's with the Ministry of Northern Development Mines, his team, and Danny for having the second highest number of steps. Her team is LRC BCS, which stands for Let's Reduce Cancer by Counting Steps, and she's with the Ministry of Natural Resources and Forestry. Special shout out goes to Rewind for partnering with me on this awesome challenge. They were an integral part of this program, getting out there and helping me build awareness for this awesome program. To logyoursteps.ca for hosting our logging platform. We had a few little hiccups on the way, but we sorted it out, and we're looking forward to doing this again next year. If you have any comments, please feel free to respond, and I'm going to be sending out a survey for all of you to let me know how you enjoyed it, what can change, what went well, and then we can make this program even better next year. So have a fantastic summer and keep wearing that pedometer or your Fitbit or whatever you were using, and stay active, and hope to see you soon. Thanks, and have a great day.